Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can clone your voice instantly. First, go to Google and search for ElevenLabs and click on the first result. Once you landed on ElevenLabs site, make sure to log in or sign up. Then select the voice which you want for your video. You can add your own voice too by clicking Add Voice. Give a name for your voice. Add your voice file. Add description if you want. Click on checkbox and click on Add Voice. Now go speech screen and add your script, or you can type it. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Once you're done scripting, click on generate. Once your script is generated, you can listen or you can download to use it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Note: this video sound has been made by using ElevenLabs.